If you play Slime RNG on Roblox, joining the game's Discord server is definitely worth it. The server often shares new codes, updates, announcements, event information, and other rewards that can help you progress faster in the game. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the Slime RNG Discord server step by step. To get started, open the Discord app on your computer. Once Discord is open, look at the left side of the screen and click the Add a Server button, which is the plus icon. After that, a new window will appear. At the bottom, you'll see the option Have an invite already? Click on it. Now you'll see a box where you can enter an invite code for a server. Here, type the exact invite code shown on the screen. I'll also leave the code in the video description in case it's difficult to read from the video or if you just want to copy and paste it more easily. Before continuing, make sure the invite code is written correctly. Once everything looks good, click Join Server. Discord may ask you to complete a verification step to confirm that you're a human, so just follow the instructions on your screen. After that, you'll officially join the Slime RNG Discord server. Now there's one more important step. Most Roblox Discord servers require you to verify your account before you can access all the channels. To do that, look at the left sidebar inside the server and find the channel called Verify. Open that channel, and you should see a message from BlockLink with a button that says Verify with BlockLink. Click that button. This will open a new page in your browser where you'll need to sign in and connect your Discord account with BlockLink. Basically, this process links your Discord account so the server can verify that you're a real user and give you full access to the community channels. Once the verification is complete, you'll be able to access the entire server, including code channels, announcements, chats, and more. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and guides.